They are suspected wannabe domestic terrorists charged with plotting to storm the Michigan Capitol building and start a civil war.
But tonight, the people who know brothers Michael and William Null say that they were shocked to hear about their alleged involvement in the plot. Fox 2's Charlie Langton with more.
7 defendants have been charged by Attorney General Dana Nessa with terrorism, weapons violations, and being in a gang. 2 of those defendants are 38-year-old twin brothers William and Michael Null.
The Null brothers in particular, I know that they are kind, wonderful people.
But the government says they played a role in trying to kidnap the governor. We may find out more specifics at their preliminary exam. But constitutional attorney Katherine Henry knows the Null brothers.
These guys, their fathers, their husbands, their sons, their brothers. They are, members of our community. They're United States citizens. They're property owners. These are good men.
Are they part of a militia?
Absolutely, yes. I do believe they are part of the Michigan Liberty Militia.
The Liberty Militia provides security for a number of rallies, like this one on May 18th in Grand Rapids, protesting Governor Whitmer's executive orders. Katherine Henry was there, as was William Null, who was seen working security and actually took a picture with Senate Majority Leader Mike Shirkey. But what about all those guns?
They didn't do anything illegal with their guns as it is. They literally just owned guns.
Now, there's a charge here that they're in a gang. Is a gang and a militia, do you believe, are used interchangeably by the government?
I think our Attorney General and our governor are definitely playing word games and calling militia gangs. It's definitely politically motivated.
Why do you think these charges are politically motivated?
The conversations that I've been personally aware of are where people are trying to go legal routes to try to hold the governor criminally and civilly responsible.
Can they get a fair trial?
The way that our leaders in this state are handling things, no, I don't think they're going to get a fair trial unless the media steps in and starts to share both sides of things.
Attorney Katherine Henry reminds us that the Null brothers and all defendants are innocent until proven guilty. Charlie Langton, Fox 2 News.